In Bangladesh, civil litigation has long suffered from systemic delays, procedural bottlenecks, and a backlog of cases that leaves litigants waiting years for resolution. The Code of Civil Procedure, first enacted in 1908, has for over a century governed how civil justice is administered. But in a rapidly changing world, century-old procedures can no longer keep pace with the needs of today's citizens or businesses. This is why the recently proposed CPC Amendment Ordinance in 2025 represents a much-needed and transformative leap forward. These reforms are designed not only to reduce delay, but to modernize litigation for a digital era, restore public confidence in the courts, and make justice more affordable and accessible. One of the most groundbreaking changes is the introduction of digital summons. For the first time in Bangladesh's legal history, courts will be able to issue summons and notices via SMS, telephone calls, and digital platforms. This move alone could eliminate weeks, if not months, of delay caused by failed or prolonged physical service of summons, a root cause of adjournments and slow case progression. The reforms also tackle the chronic issue of execution delays. Previously, even after a party won a judgment, they had to initiate a separate execution case to enforce it, adding more time, effort, and cost. Under the new law, execution orders will be embedded within the original judgment, allowing quicker and more direct enforcement. This means less paperwork, fewer hearings, and faster outcomes. Another key reform is the limit on adjournments. Endless deferrals have often been misused as a tactic to frustrate or financially exhaust the opposing party. The amended CPC will now cap the number of adjournments, and courts will be required to specify the number of full and partial hearings scheduled per day. This ensures that cases move forward with certainty, discipline, and accountability. To discourage misuse of the legal system, the penalty for filing false or frivolous cases has been increased from Tika 20,000 to Tika 50,000. This sends a strong message that the court's time is valuable and that abuse of process will not be taken lightly. These changes are not just procedural, they are philosophical. They reflect a shift toward a more efficient, transparent, and citizen-focused justice system. The reforms were initiated by the Law and Justice Division, following recommendations by the Judicial Reform Commission, and they represent a bold effort to align Bangladesh's civil justice system with modern standards. At Tobarrak Law Chamber, we welcome these reforms as a long overdue but decisive step in the right direction. We are committed to ensuring that justice is not just done, but done faster, smarter, and fairly for everyone.